Let's go to Victor in Paramus, New Jersey. Hey, Victor, what's going on, brother?
Not much. After I talk to you, I just want your read on Apple. What do you think? But tomorrow I was reading on Zero Hedge's quadruple expirations, and Google, Facebook, and all of that, and two other ones, AT&T and Intel, are coming out of the communication services. Like they're reshuffling the S&P 500, and they're saying there's going to be a 25% correction in technology. You believe that or no?
In one day?
Not in one day, but they're saying by taking Facebook out and Google out of the S&P, you know, when they reshuffle and rebalance it, it's coming out of the communication section. Well, Goldman Sachs is actually saying it.
So they're saying that's coming out of the communication ETF sector?
Yeah. The section, however you do the S&P 500, there's different sections in it, I guess.
Yeah, that's right. Okay.
Yeah, they're coming out tomorrow, supposedly, and so is AT&T and Intel.
And where are they putting them? They're putting them in another sector, though, right?
In another section, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm going to have to look at that.
Go look at it on Zero Hedge. It's a Goldman Sachs article, so I don't know.
Well, what does happen is just that one of the targets just gave me a heads up, too. You get the what you do have, folks, is that the SPY has a dividend coming out tomorrow. The S&P has a dividend coming out tomorrow, too. Yeah.
Oh, so this could be a little. Maybe it's a little. You might get a little.
Well, what will end up happening
or?
is that it'll pay the dividend and it will open up lower. That's how that's how it works. Yeah.
Where do you think Apple's going? I've been like buying it at $215 all the time and just selling it like at $220. I don't know. It seems kind of loose.
Well, you know, what is intriguing inside the NDX 100 as well as the Nasdaq is that we are at all-time highs, and Google's at 1188, and the high is 1273. So that certainly can't get traction. And Facebook is not getting any traction either. Facebook is way off its highs. I mean, Facebook, you're down from 218, you're at 166. So that's saying quite a bit. I mean, in general, do you know what I'm saying?
So tomorrow could be the beginning of a little correction then.
Hey. As Jason and I were just talking, and you told me and I this morning, this market's shaking everything off. So
this reminds me of 2009. I guess Trump put the orders out. No, listen to him.
The thing that's pretty wild here right now is this, and this is where we had the short-term rates going higher.
Yeah,
the 30-year bond
today.
The
10-year went up.
Well, yeah, the 30-year bond is kind of just sitting here all day. We'll see if the market even pays attention to that. Thus far, the market hasn't. My take still is that bonds do want to go lower. I mean, it looks to me that they broke the August low, and they basically didn't break them with volume. So it's like, okay, you want to go, it wouldn't like you were going to go to the May low, but that being said, it's like, okay, the May low is not the end of the world. Like if we look at the TLT, which is a 20-year plus ETF for the bonds, we hit yesterday, we got down at 116.19, the low is 116.09. Today, you basically come up slightly 51 cents, but it's like, okay, man, is that all the notes and bonds wanted to do? What has happened is that as we've come up to the Fed meetings, it seems that, and this is about as deviant as you can get, every time that the Fed raises their short-term rate bank to bank, that's when the bonds start rallying again. And so, we have the meeting, and the meeting is next week, the 26th, and right now, if you're watching this, you can see there's a 100% chance in the probability market that they're going to go up on rates. Now in December,
where would you buy Apple at, though?
Apple, I wouldn't. If I was looking at Apple, my take is that Apple's going to go down and test this 192 or 220.
It will? Yeah, close that gap?
Yeah.
You think so? Maybe MU will be the start tomorrow, Micron.
Well, yeah. I think that's tonight. Is it tonight? Let me see.
Yeah, tonight. That's what I mean. In a few hours. Yeah,
okay, so yeah, that's good. Now there'll be some action here, folks, because Micron has already gone from price point of 64 to 46. Well, actually 44, I think. Yeah, to 40. And Micron. So this is Victor, I'm so glad you called, man, because Micron. So check this out, folks. Micron just missed the February 9th swing low, which is $37.52. We got down to 40.68, and that has volume. So the way that Micron set up to go after the close today. This is going to be interesting watching this shake out, man.
I'm gonna have to wait and buy the text when nobody wants them again.
That's right. You're going to hear someone crying, and you're not going to hear anyone crying for a while. That's what it looks like.
All right. Have a good day.
You too, man. Have a great one. Have a safe one.